Your team said it was okay to mention it. You have never had plastic surgery.
No. I start the day off with it every single day. If I don't have it, I miss it. And I really find that it has great benefits for clear skin. My hair grows really fast.
In a world obsessed with the elusive fountain of youth and the relentless pursuit of everlasting vitality, there emerges an extraordinary woman who defies conventional norms and leaves everyone spellbound. Martha Stewart. Against all odds at the remarkable age of 81, when the twilight years often cast their shadow.
Back with me again to torture me with some new exercises.
Martha Stewart remains an unstoppable force, radiating health and vitality. In this exclusive video, Martha will be revealing the shocking secret behind her astonishing transformation and how she is able to look decades younger than her actual age.
Robin Williams and
Gracias, amigos. Robin Williams, yo soy Martha Stewart.
If you want to discover how this lifestyle guru still remains beautiful, healthy, and young, even at 81, then watch this video to the end. Martha Stewart, known for her exceptional entrepreneurial skills and expertise in home decoration and lifestyle, she had a fascinating early life that laid the foundation for her illustrious career. Born Martha Helen Kostyra on August 3, 1941 in Jersey City, New Jersey, she grew up in a household that valued hard work, creativity, and an appreciation for aesthetics.
my mother as a grammar school teacher, my father as a high school teacher.
Following her graduation from college in 1963, Stewart ventured into the field of modeling and worked with renowned agencies such as Chanel. This foray into the fashion industry honed her eye for style and presentation, and she quickly recognized the importance of attention to detail and impeccable taste, a philosophy that would become integral to her brand.
Well, even if you're not ready to rip out your closet and start all over again, I am, though.
Stewart has authored numerous books, many of which have become bestsellers.
Learning how to draw, to sew, to cook.
Her publications cover a wide range of topics, including cooking, housekeeping, entertaining, gardening, and crafts. Her books have provided practical advice and inspiration to millions of readers worldwide. Known for her culinary skills, Martha Stewart has been influential in the world of cooking and entertaining. She has published several cookbooks and has been recognized with prestigious awards in the culinary industry.
So I slather myself with vitamin E, vitamin B, and this is a very inexpensive way to do it, is to buy, giant bottles of vitamin E capsules or vitamin B, and just puncture it. You can actually squeeze it, but if you puncture it with a few holes and a pin, and then just squeeze out all that good serum. So squeeze that out, and then rub it wherever you feel dry or need a little nutrient.
Why do you poke holes in these vitamin E capsules? Why don't you just get it as a serum in a store?
Because it's $90 a bottle for a little bottle.
Because it's more affordable. I love that you pay attention to that.
Yeah, of course I do.
Stewart's recipes and cooking techniques have influenced home cooks and professional chefs alike. Martha Stewart has a surprising secret when it comes to her daily diet. While one might expect her meals to be extravagant and complex, Martha's culinary choices are refreshingly basic. However, the true allure lies in the exceptional quality of the ingredients she selects. In discussing her approach to eating, Martha emphasizes her preference for organic, clean, tasty, and healthy foods. What sets her apart is her commitment to consuming primarily what she produces on her own farm. This revelation might come as a shock to those who assume she indulges in lavish dishes from renowned restaurants. Every morning, Martha rises promptly at 6:15 a.m. After leaving her cozy bed, she attends to her gadgets, plugging in her 2 iPads for a recharge. Once they're plugged in, she immerses herself in the pages of the New York Times, reading it cover to cover. Afterwards, she heads to the kitchen for a refreshing homemade green juice, a staple in her morning routine. This elixir, composed of cucumber, parsley, mint, orange, including the skin, celery, ginger, and pineapple, has been her go-to for years, credited as her secret to her radiant skin and luscious hair. Although she admits that the taste of the green juice leaves something to be desired, the benefits it offers are worth the slightly unpleasant flavor. Following her invigorating juice, Martha ventures outdoors for a ride around her expansive property, ensuring her beloved animals are well cared for. Horses, donkeys, and pigeons all receive her watchful eye. Once she returns from her inspection, Martha indulges in a delightful cappuccino, a well-deserved treat made with organic, Battenkill Valley milk using her cherished La San Marco espresso machine. Despite receiving a constant stream of pastries and bread from various brands and eateries, Martha remains steadfast in her approach to snacks. She adamantly describes herself as a non-snacker, going to great lengths to keep tempting treats out of her reach. This self-discipline is a testament to her unwavering dedication to maintaining a healthy and balanced diet. When it comes to lunch, Martha prefers to indulge in something light yet flavorful. Her go-to menu consists of Italian tuna, canned in olive oil, skillfully combined with fresh celery, crispy apple, a shallot, mayo, lemon juice, and a dash of salt and pepper. This simple yet delicious creation perfectly embodies Martha's commitment to utilizing quality ingredients in a way that enhances their natural flavors. As evening approaches, Martha takes delight in preparing dinner for her friends. The dinner menu often showcases her culinary prowess, featuring delectable dishes such as roasted chicken, fresh green beans, lamb, and a vibrant salad. Her dedication to cooking extends beyond her own enjoyment. She takes pleasure in sharing her talents with others, ensuring that her guests are treated to a memorable dining experience. And what's an evening without a drink? Martha, a connoisseur of fine spirits, admits her fondness for vodka. However, she insists that she never indulges alone. When entertaining guests, she graciously offers a choice between a bottle of wine or a carefully crafted vodka cocktail. Her two personal favorites are a high-quality vodka on the rocks, garnished with a thick slice of fresh orange, and a refreshing greyhound, expertly mixed with freshly squeezed grapefruit juice. In addition to her culinary endeavors, Martha also finds solace in the art of baking. Although she no longer bakes as frequently as she once did, she still indulges in the occasional creation that showcases her expertise with the oven. No matter how hectic her schedule may be, Martha Stewart ensures that her mornings begin with a workout. Prior to the pandemic, she enlisted the expertise of a yoga teacher and a trainer. However, in the current circumstances, Martha takes charge of her fitness routine on her own. Despite occasional mornings when the motivation to exercise wanes, she perseveres, recognizing the immense benefits that await her. And oh, how glad she is that she does. With each session, Martha emerges feeling refreshed and revitalized, ready to conquer the day. Equipped with hand weights, exercise balls, and a range of exercise equipment including a Peloton bike, a tonal system, and a DB machine for her lower body, Martha's exercise space is a haven for her physical well-being. She embraces the challenge and pushes her limits, knowing that the reward lies in the strength and resilience she gains. But Martha's commitment to fitness doesn't stop within the confines of her home gym. She finds solace and joy in horseback riding. Even in the face of chilly weather, she braves the elements to embark on her equine adventures. For Martha, riding her horses is not just a thrilling experience, but a fantastic form of exercise. The combination of physical activity and the invigorating embrace of nature rejuvenates her spirit, leaving her feeling invigorated and alive. One of Martha Stewart's secrets to maintaining her mental wellness lies within the vibrant haven of her greenhouse. In her own words, she shares, "This place lifts my spirit." And she's not alone in experiencing this phenomenon. Studies have shown that surrounding oneself with plants can have a profound impact, reducing stress levels and nurturing creativity. For Martha, the soothing presence of greenery provides a much-needed respite, a sanctuary where she can rejuvenate her mind and soul. To keep her mental faculties sharp and agile, Martha embraces a variety of engaging activities. She dives into the challenging world of the New York Times crossword puzzle on her trusty iPad, pushing her cognitive boundaries and honing her problem-solving skills. Card games also make an appearance in her repertoire, providing an opportunity for strategic thinking and social interaction. But Martha's thirst for knowledge and mental stimulation doesn't stop there. She actively seeks out new and challenging endeavors, embracing the joy of lifelong learning. As an advocate for healthy aging, she encourages older individuals as well as the younger generation to discover activities that bring them joy and fulfillment for years to come. In a surprising turn of events in 2023, the remarkable Martha Stewart, at the age of 81, found herself gracing the cover of Sports Illustrated's iconic swimsuit issue.
This year's Sports Illustrated swimsuit cover model, Martha Stewart.
This unexpected collaboration sparked curiosity and admiration worldwide.
Showing people that
a woman my age can still look good, feel good, be good.
Recently, Martha opened up to People magazine, shedding light on her decision to embrace this extraordinary opportunity and offering a glimpse into the behind-the-scenes preparations that went into this daring photo shoot. Reflecting on her future, Martha mused, "It should have been 30 years ago. That would have been great. It was not a goal I set for myself, but once asked, I thought to myself, let's do it." Her words echoed a fearless spirit, an unwavering resolve to challenge societal norms and redefine expectations. Martha's decision to step into the limelight of the swimsuit issue at this stage of her life embodied the essence of empowerment and self-assuredness. As she prepared for the photo shoot, Martha recounted the mental and physical preparation required to appear before the camera clad in nothing but swimwear. "I tried on all the bathing suits and outfits the night before the shoot," she shared, emphasizing the plethora of options she had to consider. In the world of high fashion photography, there was no room for modesty. The team meticulously adjusted, prodded, and straightened to ensure every aspect was perfect. Martha revealed that she had to momentarily cast aside any remnants of modesty and embrace the process with a determined grin. Leading up to the highly anticipated photo shoot, Martha elevated her dedication to looking her best. In an interview on Today, she candidly shared the adjustments she made to her lifestyle. "I didn't starve myself, but I didn't eat any bread or pasta for a couple of months," she revealed. Alongside her modified diet, Pilates became a staple in her fitness regimen. Martha emphasized the positive impact the exercise routine had on her overall well-being, expressing her continued commitment to Pilates even after the shoot. In the weeks preceding her photo shoot, Martha made additional sacrifices to ensure she was camera-ready. She voluntarily abstained from alcohol and indulged in a spray tan, further enhancing her radiance and sculpting an image of confidence and vitality.